What is up, everyone? How you doing? Look it's new. So that one went on super easy. That one went on awesomely easy. This little pain in the ass bushing, where'd I put it? That bushing right there does not fit in that hole right there, which makes this not workable. But we're just gonna go, oh, look how dirty that is too. Ooh. Ooh. It's all greasy. But yeah, we're just gonna go pound this thing in and we'll be back. Now, I don't recommend doing this if you have some nice like CRGs or ASVs or whatever they are levers, but this little file has now cleared out. I don't know if you can see that. We're just filing out the inside of this just enough so we can get that stupid little bushing inside of it, because it was just tight enough that it's not working, and I don't really want to play around with it. So again, I do not recommend this, and I will give warning for people who do not like this noise. But we're just filing out just a little bit of the inside, getting the paint out basically, and we'll see if it fits. I may have taken just too much out, but yes, and I switched to gloves because I have girly hands. Look at that, it fits now. Yay! Freedom! So now, if you don't know, this, with that little bushing in there now, goes right there, and this little thing right here goes into that little hole right there, and that's your clutch cable. We'll play with it. But yeah, we'll be back. They're on! I can tell you right now that this one is way too close to the handle for me, which is half the reason why I bought these. They're not all that much shorter. Like, I don't think they're really what you'd consider shorty levers, but compared to the stock gray, bleh, and they have these nice adjustable. Leave it all the way out there. Look at that. Bam, I don't even think my fingers would reach that. We're just going to put that back. But yeah, let's see. We'll do the fun little... We're in neutral. You can't see that because it's over there, but we are in neutral. And... oh yeah. See? Well, we can shift gears. If you don't know why the bike just stopped, it's because this thing is down. It's got that stupid, like, kill switch to, you know, this thing. You can undo that, and so this won't. I don't know how to speak. It shuts the bike off if your kickstand's down in first gear, so you don't like drive away and then catch this on something and die. But anyways, if you don't know why I bought new levers, there's that. There's that. Those are really faded already. And there's those now. Woo! So yeah, they do work though. This is definitely way too close for me. So that's probably just going to get pushed out to like, I like that. We'll push out to 6. Actually, that's not that bad. So yeah, look at it. We're at 10,000 miles. I bought this bike 3 years ago. With 2,000 miles. No, 2 years ago. Oh no. But yeah, so these are all done. It's really a super simple process. Like if you're thinking about putting levers on yourself and think you're going to need somebody to do it or a lot of help, it's literally like, it's a 10 millimeter bolt here, a 10 millimeter bolt right there, and you'll need a flathead socket or a flathead screwdriver for that one. And then it's just 2 bolts on the bottom, or 2 nuts on the bottom, and you just have to make sure that when you put the brake on, that little thing right there, where my finger is, that little thing gets pushed back or put back into the, there's a hole on these, and then you have to make sure the clutch cable's back in this, and there's also there's a little thing right here that you need to make sure is behind the piece of metal so it can tell the clutch when it's actually being engaged or not. So, yeah, all done. Added a whole 50 horsepower, and also because they fold. They fold, they extend, they're gold, and they have these nice adjustable lengths so you can figure out where you want it for yourself. And also, the stock ones would hit, you can see where that little scratch is right here. The stock levers would hit that. So these are, I mean, not that much shorter, about an inch, but like, they're not going to be grinding on this all the time. So yeah. Cool.